before applying. Woo! It burns. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a very popular product. Like, this product literally went viral. Like, a lot of people were using it and commenting on it and just loving on it and all of that, and I've always wanted to get my hands on it, and I finally did. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to try it on my skin and just give you guys a feedback, like a first impression and all of that. And yeah, before I get into that process, I want to do like a mini haul or a little haul on the ordinary products that I actually got. I got a lot of the ordinary products to try them out, so I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So let's do this before I show you how I apply the peeling solution to my face. So yeah guys, let's begin the haul. So yeah, I got the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so I got this one. It's a toner. So yeah, I got this, and I'm going to review all these products later on, but right now I'm just showing you guys what I got. And yeah, I also got the swelling cleanser. What else do I have? I have the salicylic acid 2% mask. So yeah, this is the mask. Yeah, I also got this, and I also got the lactic acid 5% plus HA. Yeah, this is it up close. Next I got alpha arbutin. I also got the alpha arbutin. And okay, I also got the natural moisturizing factor. This is a moisturizer. So yeah, this is a moisturizer. I also got the ascorbic glucoside solution. Right. Yeah, it's vitamin C. And I also got this one. Let me bring it closer so that you can read the name for yourself, because I don't want to murder the name. I hope it's clear. But it's like an antioxidant. I'll just leave the name on the screen. It's an antioxidant. So yeah, I got this as well. So yeah guys. Oh, and finally I got the peeling solution. So this is the product I'm going to be reviewing today, or I'm going to be trying on my skin today. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people use this, and I wanted to give it a try on my skin, and the wait is finally over. So I'll go ahead and try this on my skin. Let me go ahead and unbox it. So yeah guys, this is how it looks. It's actually very full. As you can see, I'm impressed. Like, because some products they will put the product half and charge you, but this is actually full, which is very impressive. So yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and read the instructions. So the direction says, clean the face and wait for skin to dry. Do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across face and neck. Okay, I've already washed my face, so you want to wash your hands, wash your face, and yeah, and let it dry. So I've already done that. And apply evenly across face and neck using fingertips. So yeah, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Do not use on sensitive, peeling and compromised skin. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes, both during application and rinse off. Okay, we are also warned not to leave it on for more than 10 minutes, like 10 minutes, not 11 minutes or 12 minutes or 10.5 minutes. So it says leave it on for 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. So you want to make sure you respect that, which I'm going to respect, and I'm going to set a timer. So it's better to set a timer in order not to go over 10 minutes, because this is an acid, guys. So you want to really follow what the formulator say or the manufacturer say. Like 10 minutes is 10 minutes. So yeah, let me go ahead and begin the applications. Guys, another tip, you don't want the dropper to touch your skin. I guess I should stop talking. But what I was saying is you don't want the dropper to touch your skin because you might contaminate it and then put it again inside the bottle. So you just have to maybe give a distance while you're dropping it. So you can drop it on your fingers before applying. Woo! It burns. Oh my god. My nose. Guys, it's actually burning here. Woo. Wow. Oh my god, it's burning all over. So I want to apply to my neck, so I'll go ahead and drop it on my fingers, and then I'll go ahead and apply it now to my neck. You don't want to leave your neck out. Guys, this actually burns, like, ooh, it tingles. I don't know, like, it kind of has like the tingle, like I feel tingles all over my face, like, yeah, it tingles all over. And yeah, but it's bearable. It's not like too much, but I can actually feel it, like I can actually feel tingles all over my face. Yeah, so I'm trying to set the timer as fast as possible. Yeah, and while I wait for time to elapse, let's just go through the directions of the product. First of all, it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial, so we're using this to exfoliate the skin, get out those dead cells and all of that. So yeah, and also you're advised not to apply it on broken skin. Maybe for those who pop their pimples a lot, you don't want to do that before applying this. Like, just let the skin be, because this has alpha hydroxy acid and also beta hydroxy acid, and these ingredients increase the sensitivity of the skin. So you don't want to use it on broken skin, and you don't want to leave it on for more than 10 minutes. So yeah guys, you have to pay attention to that. And yeah, keep away from your eyes as usual. It's also not recommended to use more than twice a week, so you want to use it once or twice a week and nothing more than that. So yeah, also if you decide to use this product during the day, you want to make sure that you're using sunscreen. Like, if not, make sure you stay away from the sun, but I'll really advise that you use it at night. So like, yeah, most of these acid products is just advisable to use it at night to be on the safe side. But if you must use it during the day, you want to make sure that you wear sunscreen and like cover your skin up. So if you're wondering what this product targets, like the skin problems that it targets, first it targets texture irregularities, like textured skin. It helps to smooth out that. And it also says lackluster tone. I don't know what lackluster means, but I guess it's a toner. It also helps to tone the skin and helps to solve the textural irregularities issues. So yeah, and I really do suffer from textural irregularities, so I'm really looking forward to this product doing some amazing work on my face. But for today, since we're trying it just for today, I'm just going to, when time is up, I'm going to wash it up and like come and give you guys a review of what I think, or like my first impression and all of that, even though I've shared some of the first impressions already. But yeah, after washing it off, I'll just come back and tell you guys about all. Oh, the alarm. It's time. Let me go wash my face and I'll be back. So guys, I've just washed my face and yeah, I'm super excited. So I'll go ahead and use a paper towel to dry my face. If you've watched my other skincare videos, you know I always use a paper towel because I just believe that is fresh and new. I just believe that a towel will store bacteria in it, so I just like to use a clean sheet of paper towel every time I dry my face. So yeah, this makes me happy already. Like, my face feels very smooth, like you can just, ooh, feels like a baby's skin. Since this is my first time using it, the change I notice visibly is it makes your skin kind of very smooth and like silky. So yeah, that's what I can really get on this like first day. So yeah, my skin really feels smooth and silky. Like, ooh, I've never felt this way before after exfoliating my skin. And my skin doesn't feel like dry. It feels moisturized like normal. It doesn't feel dry, because sometimes you exfoliate your skin and then it feels very dry. It doesn't feel dry. It just feels so soft and moisturized and silky and smooth. So yeah, that's my first impression, and I'm already happy because yeah, my skin is already feeling soft. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's my review for now, but I'm going to revisit this product after using it for a longer period, like a month or so, and I'm going to share with you guys my results. So yeah, make sure you stick around, and thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm also going to be reviewing the other products and you don't want to miss that. So yeah, subscribe and turn on your post notification. Guys, I'm so distracted. My skin feels so smooth. Oh, I can imagine using this for a month. I can't wait to get back and share with you guys a 1 month later or 2 months later review. So yeah, anyway, like I was saying, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you want to purchase any of these products, I'll leave the links in the description box. You can check them out and get the ones that you like. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.